Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Phoenix. I'm here with another episode where I'll be unboxing my Ray-Ban Meta glasses. How it looks. This is how the box looks. It's fairly small. Excuse my messed up nails. I'm gonna fix it. Oh yeah. Tells you all the specifics. So it says here, scan to get started. And also written in German, I think. And then this is how it looks. I like the casing. It's quite nice. Yeah. Let's open it. Whoa! Did you see that? It lights up when you open it. Woo! Wow, this is how they look. It looks, as you can see over here. It's also protected. Detail here showing Meta. And this is where you probably click here. Let's see what's inside. The case is very, very nice. It's good quality. I love this. I love how it clicks like a magnet on it, you know. Let me try them on. Let me see. Let me see. I think I'm first supposed to scan the thing before they start working. A few people would know these are Meta glasses. They're not heavy, which I like. They're very light. Where did I get this? Well, my husband actually got this for us, Media Mart, and it sells a variety of electronics and other gadgets. These were 419 euros. But if you're in the military, what's nice about it is that you can actually get a discount using your vet form, and it will give you, I think, approximately around 70%, 70 euros off, approximately. I'm not saying this is the done deal, but we ended up paying 300 and something, and that was super affordable for us. Super excited about trying this on and looking forward to everything. And I just want to say thank you so much for everyone who has been following this page, who has been liking my episodes, and who has been supporting me. And to my fellow flames, keep shining. It's really encouraging to be able to sit here and be able to just share my life, my experiences, and everything that I do in life with you guys. I love you. Mwah.